Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 73. Oh, excuse me. Ignore that cough. Being recorded mostly live, November, what is the date today? November 3rd, 2025. This is a show about shipping secure, high quality software faster. And I'm your host, Chris. And today hopefully this is part 6 or so, 5 or 6 of me migrating my consulting website, Saturday Morning Production. So here it is there to GitHub page. So you can watch previous videos to see how that's going and some of the issues I've ran into. But as you can see, it's looking pretty good. So this is in Rails, but it didn't do any like dynamic Railsy things. So I just moved it to Jekyll, like a GitHub pages site. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. You'll notice there's a media page. So I was working on that in the Rails site. Maybe I'll add it to the Jekyll one eventually, but we won't worry about that. So the main page is working, which all the CSS assets have been moved over. And then stuff like the blog. Like this is on the WordPress site. So maybe I'll move that eventually, but like the about page here doesn't work yet, the contact page. So I have to move these two pages over. And a couple other minor things. So like today, I think this is what we'll try and get done for today. We get all three. The last thing I have to do is update the DNS to, yeah. Okay, because we fixed the deprecation warnings last time. Those are all fixed, so we don't care about those. So, and I guess, yeah, I did move all my to-dos to a .todos folder. Right, let's just add oh yeah, let's make sure we're in the right branch here. Okay, let's get all this done before I forget. Thought I had everything set up, but all right. And then let's create a new branch. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Let's add, what page do we want to add first? If we look at here, let's add the about page, sure. About contact. Add. Oh, yeah. No. There we go. All right. So, first thing, we added the to get ignore, would it make sure? Yeah, we know the Claude settings to do. Okay. Oh, we don't want to commit this to main. So let's create a new branch, feature, add about page. That's what I said, right? Okay. So, great, committed. And I still think, yes, Claude Code Max subscription or whatever, the lowest version. Oh, it's so expensive. At least for what I use, like I barely use anything of it. So I don't think I'm going to keep it. I'll probably just drop down to I think it's like a $20 American version or whatever. Cause I also have GitHub. I think I have the Pro GitHub too, which I might drop down. I just don't use them nearly enough. I use it to get access to Claude, like the latest Claude and other models to play around with, but like Sonnet seems to be working just fine right now. Or yeah, 4.5. Like I think all this getting the latest model, I don't think I need that anymore. Okay, but anyway, let's okay, what were we going to do? Which I don't know, which one should we use today? Should we use some more Claude? Might as well, I guess. Don't I have the Claude plugin installed or whatever here? I do. Okay. What does this do? Oh, right. It puts this thing here. So do I want this in, or do I want the terminal below? I don't know. Let's try this. Let's try this today. I just kind of play around with random stuff, especially, oh yeah, I can get the terminal. I can also run it down here. I don't know. What is the advantage of using Claude in the Visual Studio IDE versus using it in the terminal? Oh, let's see. Okay, so what's doing that? The about page. So how did I? Okay, let's see what it said. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I do like the fact I can highlight specific lines and be like, fix this. That's something I really like about like GitHub Copilot and other IDE integrated. Yeah. Okay, let's try it. So I have. How did I set this up again? Maybe I'll make this one bigger. I don't know if you it's got like the lowest turn on pretty much all my videos. But if anyone's watching this and you want this bigger or smaller, let me know. Oh, also I should make sure. Let's just make sure it works. Oh shoot! I gotta start Docker again. Okay, give me a second there. We'll start that up. So for more information, I'm running Windows 11, but with you can see down here Windows subsystem for Linux, and then I run Docker inside of that. Okay, so Docker should be started now. Okay, cool. So now if I bring up this guy and I go to localhost, I think it's 4,000. Yeah, okay. So it looks like everything's working there. Great. Oh, right. Yeah, fave icon not found. That's fine. Okay. Good. So everything seems to be working there. And then I think in my... Right. So I have this. If I go up one level, I should have... Yeah, there's the website. And this is just... what am I thinking? This is just a Rails app, basically. So if I go look under... so the files I want to copy the app. And when I copied the homepage, it did a good job. Like it found all the art assets. It found the CSS. I had to, most of the video was me fighting with Bootstrap, actually Bootstrap and Jekyll. So, so there's the views, and then I want the about view, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Let's create a new. How do I get a new? Can I just do /new? Yeah. Oh, it keeps. Okay. Huh. Okay. Please create an about page. This is actually, I might have to go back to the terminal. I don't know if it's going to be able to read based on the Rails about page found at ... let's do this. Tilde repos website app view about html.erb. Please create Jekyll about page. Actually, let's do that. There's something else I want to experiment with. So let's say, please create a plan in the .to do folder for the Jekyll page should look the same as the Rails about page. Okay, well, let's see what kind of plan. Because I know Claude Code has a planning mode, but I keep forgetting to use this like a to do, like I created here. Doesn't quite show. Oh, I guess my text, my font is so big, so it's looking. I always like to see what's doing. Like it seems to do mostly a good job. One of the nice things I like is it runs all these commands that I would never know. I was using it for. I have an iOS app that I'm trying to wrap in a. Well, that I've already wrapped in a .NET. Like I had it wrapped for .NET Xamarin and now .NET Maui, and upgrading it to .NET 8 and all the things. And it helped me create an actual like a better build script for actually creating the native bindings. Oh no. Sorry, I meant to do. So, that's kind of tell Claude what to do instead. Sorry. I guess it's Canadian me. I meant to. Sorry, it's not to do folder, but the existing .to do's. So one, can I just hit one? Oh yeah, okay. Did it create the to do? Oh, it put it in there. Oh well. Oh no, okay. Moving. MV I removed her. Yeah. Okay, sure. Okay, cool. Okay, I created it all. Perfect. Okay, let's see what this plan looks like. So if we look at the plan here, can I get this on the left like I'm used to it? How do I do this? Yeah, there we go. Oh, I get it. It's not treating it like a little side window. It treats it like a tab. Oh, interesting. Okay. So it found the styles. It found some of the images. Oh, right. Consult button. So what do I have? We go look at the about. I have this about us. Oh, the weekly dev chat, the free consult. That's just a link to wow, that looks really ugly for some reason. Calendly? What happened, Calendly? Why does that look so weird? It should be the same. Oh. Huh, I don't know what happened there. Right, and then we have the weekly dev chat, which if you're watching this, you're welcome to join. I'm assuming like you're watching this just maybe just after Halloween or something like that. But hopefully weekly dev chat is still going strong. So come join us. It's every Tuesday at noon. Okay. Now again, this is where I find LLMs are really good. Like just like copy all this stuff and make a slight tweak to it. And you still have to proofread it because it's not 100%, but like sometimes I'll give it lists and be like, order this list, or do something with this data, convert this data to JSON. And it usually does a pretty good job. If it was like production data from a database, I would, of course, review it a lot more, or maybe not use an LLM. But for stuff like this, like worst case, like it's got there's probably already grammar errors in here because I wrote this, but like, if it's got a typo and error, who cares, right? So, okay, so copy asset images. Okay. I even got the commands to do it. Front matter. All right, it created. Oh, that's kind of cool. Now, do I ask it to do the whole thing at once, or do I just do it one at a time? 50 minutes? Oh, like if I was to do it by hand, maybe? Okay. Well, probably that's how long this video is going to be. Please implement the plan, the about page migration plan. After each step. Okay, and then mark each step. Okay, so we're gonna try the whole thing. It as when it is after completing a step, mark it as complete. I don't know. Let's try that. Was that really step one? Oh yeah. Okay, so what's it going to do? It's going to create the directory. Okay, is that where we're even putting everything? Assets, images, home footer. Yeah, okay, that looks good. And then it's going to what? Copy the two files. Sure. You can maybe get rid of that comment, but okay, do I have to do something here? What is it? Oh, okay. Accept the proposed change. Oh, interesting. Okay. Right, because it's treating it like its own. Okay, so let's get rid of this. No, oh shoot, I kind of. Oh, it keeps opening extra windows. Oh, I don't know if I like this so much. It's kind of going to be hard to follow. Okay. Well, let's put this over here. And then we can just see it every once in a while. Okay, sure. Let's accept it. I accept. Uh-oh. Oh, I see a problem. Did it accept it? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. Does it just pause? Oh, okay. So if I go yes. I don't really want to see this every time. That is kind of a pain. Okay, yeah, so it looks like Claude's edit. Yeah. That's not a great interface, eh? Maybe I'll go back to the terminal. I don't know, we'll see. Like maybe the terminal for like larger changes like this, and then code editing, like if I'm just editing a file. Why do you want to run the Docker command? That's interesting. Just to make sure. Oh, maybe it's seeing if everything. Oh, it's checking the logs. Maybe looking for errors, I guess. Yeah, the fave icon's not found. That's okay. That's the next one. Are you going to try and fix it now? LS. Oh, okay. So it did the Jekyll build, and now it's looking to see. Oh, interesting. Cool. Hmm. Do I have search engine option? Huh. Okay. Well, it didn't mark off each one as it did it, but that's okay. I guess you created your own. Oh, okay. That one closed it for some reason. Right. You did the to-dos here. I wanted the. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I forgive you. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Like that took like an hour long. Oops. I need to get out of. I'm in the Reddit thing. Or in the, not the Reddit, the Rails. Uh, was it this? Uh, 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 why didn't I go here? Oh, because I hit L. Okay. Um, there we go. Okay, I'll move this up just so we can see the. This is my local host. Do I need to refresh this? Oh, I don't see a bunch of. Huh, I saw a bunch of like other stuff here. Interesting. Okay. All right, but we gotta go to the about page. All right. That looks pretty good. Oh, maybe two because I've zoomed in like 150% decline. All right. Cool. Well, instead of taking an hour or whatever predicted, that took 10 minutes or something. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. All right, let's look at the changes. So title about / about. Sure, that's fine. So it's got the about image. That's that one at the top because we have our header. Right, like it converted all this stuff, which was kind of again, this is where I think LLMs are great. Like it's it's kind of weird. Like there are converters, but something like this is a little tricky. Like there's usually one like you could in my experience, like converting from one language or framework to another, what little I've done it, sometimes there was a converter or even upgrading from like version whatever of the language to like 5 to 6 or whatever. Like Rails, upgrading from Rails 4 to 5 or something. There's like a converter that would do it, like some of the things, but it couldn't get all the like edge cases. It could do like if your site was really simple or your application followed all the rules properly and was really simple, it could do it. But it struggled. So I just noticed. I had to put a dot there for some reason. Huh. Yeah, like it's like you can't even. Yeah, aside from the media thing, you don't even notice the difference there. But that's where I think that like LLMs are really good. Like I think, right? One day. So yeah, back in February 2009 is when I started Saturday Morning Productions. I disenchanted. I don't know if I was disenchanted. That part's a little maybe made up or whatever. But my wife was doing consulting around that time too. Yeah, I guess I was working at a larger company at the time. I was a paid employee at a larger consulting company. And then I started doing some consulting on the side, and then it just turned into Saturday Morning Productions. It's been pretty good. So I don't know if you're watching this and you need help with your Rails site to Jekyll or something else. Usually, often today, I'm working with legacy apps or just getting, um, yeah, a lot of times like a neglected application, I can help you get it up and running, or updates to it and stuff like that. Maybe help your team out. I kind of do a bunch of variety of things. It's kind of been really interesting the last little while. So, um, all right, cool. Okay, well, that looks good. I'm just rambling here. How would I? We don't need this. Okay. How would I want to compare that? Let's do this. File. Open. No, I want to open a new window. Oh, it's so tiny. Okay. Let me just open recent. No, website. There we go. Right, and here's the GitHub agent thing. Shows up for some reason here. Okay. No, I want to make you bigger. How do I make you bigger again? This one? There we go. Okay, so if we go look under assets style sheets, about. Oh, apparently I put this comment in here. It was automatically put it. Oh, shoot. Okay, I have to make a note. All right. Okay, I got to comment out a name there. So, all right. Yeah, so it looks all the same. Okay, cool. The logo is the logo. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Well, it looks good. Man, these videos are just flying now that we don't have to fight with Bootstrap. Those deprecation warnings were a huge pain in the butt. All right, let's generate a nice little message here. No, I don't know. That is the worst one ever. Added the about page. All right, and then we'll publish this. Yeah, we might as well publish it and then create the PR and all the things. See what it looks like. Sure, let's create a pull request. And sure. Let's create it. I like to do. I guess I could do the. I kind of wish there was a review, like a Copilot review, before we get there, but Copilot. And then labels. What is this? Oh, it's like an enhancement. We added a whole new page. There. So it looks like I'm productive. Don't really have any milestones for this. And then let's request. Oh, I did request Copilot. Okay. How do I refresh this now? Oh, there. It's big. Sometimes when I'm talking, it's hard to read the. Did that work? Oh, maybe I didn't click the thing. Oh, oh, I tried to remove someone. Whoops. Okay, I don't know what that's gonna work. Let's just go here. Let's go under pull requests. We might as well use all these AIs that they. Okay. Oh, okay. Copilot is there. Okay, it was working. Just didn't refresh it there. One pending review. Mention at Copilot. Yeah, I never you can use Copilot to create like a whole PR and everything like that, but I guess that might be kind of useful, but I'd always want to like pull it down to my local development environment to make sure it worked and everything. No, in this case, it should not be capitalized. Ignore as this. Saturday is not part of the name. Oh, no, but Saturday should be right. Yeah, days of the week should be capitalized. Ha! You are right. Like, do I just commit this? Like, I like to see it on my local machine before I commit it. So that's usually what I do. So let's just go fix it. In here. No, I want yeah. About where was that again? Line 28. There we go. So yeah, like that's where I wish I could do these reviews locally. Oh, is this big enough? Yeah, it's 160. Hopefully it's big enough for everyone. I was amazed people watch this on their phone sometimes, but probably got better eyes than I do. All right, let's push that up there and then just put fixed. Or if there's a way to say like, hey, this was fixed. So, all right. So I think that's all good. Yeah, good enough. Let's just merge this bad boy. Merge pull request. All right. So that's doing its thing. Let's go do the next one, which was, where's my dot to do's? There we are. At the contact page. All right. Please do the same. Let's do what you just did, but for the contact page. Again, create a plan in the dot to do's to move the contact page from the Rails app to Jekyll. After creating the plan in the dot to do's, let me review it before proceeding to implement. Well, let's see if it's. Oh, and I'm gonna have to switch. Let's go to main. And then it's probably gonna not like this because I'm screwing everything up. Pull. Okay. I'm not even watching it, so hopefully it's I think it's contact us page. But again, the elements are pretty good. Like you don't have to be so specific, which is nice. Okay, so while it's doing that, let me see. Did it go look at our actions? All right, so merged everything. Not this one, this one. So if we go to about, hooray, we have an about page. Hey, there's weekly dev chat. Oh yeah, thanks for fixing the fave icon there. Actually, Omar fixed that. Just remember, where's Omar? Omar, thanks Omar for fixing the fave icon. Looks good. All right. It's gonna look ugly probably. Yeah. Okay, cool. Hooray, done. All right. Convert the Rails app from blah 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 blah. Yeah, what is the? I guess we could look at the contact page here. So it's got like an email and stuff. Oh yeah, does this? I don't know if the support still works actually. I was mucking around with my email accounts recently. I should updating them in. I'm using Google Workspace, but I'm thinking of moving to Proton. So I've been kind of mucking around with my accounts and trying to simplify things, and I had like a bunch of accounts I don't use much anymore. So okay, that's what that page looks like. So it's going to copy the asset images. A lot of styles. I don't know what front matter means. Like, maybe we'll update this to say something like we also work remotely because we do a lot of remote work, even with clients in Edmonton now. Like I've worked with clients in the States. Like I have a subcontractor sub with with Corgi Bytes actually, a client consulting company in the States, and we worked with people all over the world. It was a lot of fun. So probably the toughest one was some people in India just because of the time change difference. That was really tough. We only had to meet with them a couple times, but I don't remember what time I was up at night, and they were up at like 4 a.m, and I was up at like 11 at night or something, and it was kind of rough. So, well, that's a lot. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now let's see if it's gonna stop and like. Does it put it in there? Yeah. Okay. Let's see if it's going to. Please proceed. Okay, so sorry. Right, you're gonna create the contact and copy the things in there. Right, and copy. Oh, and then list it out. Okay. Yeah. So I remember talking with the fellow. Well, he actually attends a weekly dev chat and stuff, and he does some model training. And I was like, oh, like when you train something, like I thought there would be like when Claude and the other models were doing stuff like, hey, we have Git, um, like we can handle Git commands and stuff like that. I was like, oh, they must have some sort of hard coding for how Git commands work, and like it uses the LLM, but there's a lot of just hard coded like this is a command for Git and stuff. And he was saying no, they just train it on a bunch of Git commands and the output of the Git commands. And I thought that was really interesting. So, it's not how I would have thought, but okay. Well, this looks okay. So we'll compare it after, but great. Clotting. Is that a verb yet? Chat GPT. They don't really exactly roll off the tongue, I guess, but okay, so all right, we'll change this after. I don't know. Kind of looks like the way it should. Sure. Take a look at it after. I do like this. Even for Jekyll, it's kind of cool, but I really like it for stuff like like a .NET app or something. It's like it makes some changes and then it builds it, and then because every once in a while it'll make mistakes, like it has a typo or something, kind of just like a human. And it was really nice. It would be like, oh, I missed a semicolon, or oh, I didn't quite type that function correctly. Let me fix it. And I found those are mostly pretty reliable. But again, I haven't. I'm not a huge user of these. I'm waiting to like maybe this tool can't, but it wouldn't surprise me in the future if there's like a nice tool to have would be it would do 2 screenshots and then I don't know, can LLMs could they compare the 2 screenshots? Probably. Like you can upload images to Claude. Claude can't create PNGs or JPEGs, I don't think yet, but it can create SVGs, which I use it for. I know ChatGPT can create PNGs. All tasks completed. Perfect. Yeah. Well, let's see how much it actually matches it. Nope. The localhost. There we are. Okay. No, about us. We want this. Contact us. Oh, that looks pretty good. It's a telephone link, email link. Yeah. I don't know. That looks pretty good to me. Yeah, why does that look so weird? All right, let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. It's just because it's like ridiculously big. Oh, it's like the one size where it looks ugly is 150 apparently. Okay. Oh, well, that's fine. Okay, let's do a quick review of all the changes. Oh, right. We were going to fix that. So let's do that. Contact. Yeah, or remotely. I also don't mind traveling, so for short periods of time. I don't know, like if you wanted me to be away from my wife for like months or something, that wouldn't fly. But so I come down for a week, that'd be super fun. So do a presentation, work with the team. That would be a blast. I love seeing different parts of the world. COVID kind of messed up all travel for a bit, and we did some now that COVID's over, but we're still not. My wife and I still aren't in the travel, I guess, routine as much as we used to be. So kind of, yeah, got knocked out of us, and we're trying to get back into it. So okay. What? Oh yeah, I might as well look at this. Like I'm assuming, where's my? There's the Rails one. Contact. Right, like, yeah, it all looks the same. So I'm not gonna super compare it, but that looks pretty good. Again, good enough. This is just my static company website. It's not horrible if I make a small mistake. I love to it's really weird. Like sometimes it's like this is totally like it created all these like bullet points. Add contact. Like that's all we need to do. Boom. All right, we're in the contact branch. Okay, let's publish this branch. This will be the same as before. We're going to pull request. Let's do this. Sure. That's a nice enhancement. Oh, we have to remove that media link too. That's one thing I have to do. Okay. And then might as well get GitHub to do your review thing. Sure, do it. It's kind of nice too, because then GitHub Copilot does a little summary of the PR, which these ones aren't, like, again, very major, but it's kind of nice. It's, again, that's where LLMs, sometimes they won't be able to explain why you did something, but I find it pretty good at just like, hey, here's a summary of like the physical changes you did. Like this file was updated, this was changed to this. And just having a little summary like that can be pretty useful for your Git, for the Git descriptions or whatever, or for the PRs. So two and three lines changed. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like. I started working legacy code, but oh my man, almost 10 years ago, maybe now. One of the nice things was this file, like this number of stuff changed. It was great to have like a big negative PR where you removed a bunch of dead code or you refactored a bunch of duplicate code and stuff. That was always really cool. Oh, to find another. Oh no, you're criticizing my spelling? Oh, right. I should probably, I have the Claude, but again, all you AI people got to get together and figure out which one to use. Oh, okay. So I should fix that. Again, I don't know. I just can't. I want to see this before I commit it. So, whoops, wrong one. Let's move this over here. So, and again, the LMs are great for finding little typos and stuff like that. Like, I doubt it could find like kind of maybe a bug in your business logic, unless it really, like, it was kind of a common, checkout logic or something like that it found. But yeah, like little typos, like just let the, I was always fond of saying to clients, like, let the tool do this type of work for you. Before there was LLMs, there was like linters and spell checkers. Let those be part of your PR review. And now I think an LLM, it's just another tool that you can use in a team. Just let it do like some of this grunt work, right? It's kind of why we have all these amazing tools and technology, so we don't have to do grunt work anymore. We have big tractors and other machines to plant and harvest our food, so we don't have like 50 people in the field doing it manually. Okay, but what am I fixing? Oh, is it supposed to be here? Oh, I guess so, yeah, okay. That is a little weird for a Jekyll page. I think this is the default, though. Oh, could people see the Claude MD? Did I remember to ignore that? Let me, because that was one of the downsides. Oh, yeah, okay. I kind of wish there was like an include instead, but because everything just gets dumped in this root folder. I probably should. Well, maybe that's something we'll try in the next video or something I'll try. I mean, I don't know. These videos, people are finding them pretty boring. So, maybe I'll do it myself outside of the video, but I'll try and move these pages into like a folder because it's kind of ugly that they're all mixed in with all this. Okay. We're going to look at contact. We need line 33. Oh, wait. Oh, it put it in. I never noticed this before. That's cool. Oh, okay. I don't know if you need like one of these plugins installed to get that to work, but oh, okay. Refresh. Apply. So is this just going to apply it locally? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah. Looks like it did. Apply. Now, if I do this and then this, what is this? What is the same? Why do I have these extra ones here? Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Oh, it's like one big line. Okay, that's fine. We fix criticism and oh, it didn't do the mind reading ones. Oh, maybe because it changes to both. Okay, well, let's take a look to see what that looks like. Where's my terminal? Oh, right, I didn't stop it. Okay, so that's okay. Here, our mind reading. Where's criticism? Yeah, okay. Sure. Boom, boom. Now, just resolve it. I have to type fixed. Okay. Good. Let's just merge this. There. Well, that's pretty good. A pretty productive afternoon. So if I was doing this without yakking, I don't think it'd be half the time, maybe 2/3. Like if I wasn't recording a podcast. And of course, there's a pre and post time. Like I gotta get everything set up and test the microphone, and then I have to do like edit. I try to do these really live. I didn't mention at the beginning of the video, but if you made it this far, like these are all live. I don't really edit them all that much. I think I have GitHub Actions in here. Yeah. Just so, yeah, you could just see what a developer's life is like. So, and you know, if you watch some of my other videos, I definitely make mistakes a lot. So, okay. Oh, wrong one. All right. The about contact. Hooray! Contact page is there. All right. So what do we have left to do? To do's high level. All right. This is done. Done. No, it's not done. I should probably find a better way to mark this as done. Done. Sure. Ugh. Is it 2 stars for a bold, I think? Okay. All right, let's do these. No, let's do these last two. And then well, it's almost an hour. Yeah, we won't do the DNS today. I don't know if I'll make that another video. I guess if you made it this far, and you really want me to watch the DNS entries, leave some comments below. Hopefully you're watching this around November 3rd, 2025. Well, I'll probably publish this on November 5th, like the Wednesday. So, okay, so let's do these two other things. Let's go back here. For now, let's do a new window. So, all right. Please copy over the fave icon from the Rails site at, where was it? Home repos website and integrate it with this Jekyll site. Okay, before I do that, let's do the whole check out main. Sync the changes. It's probably a faster way to do this. I just don't know. And create a new branch. Feature add fave icon. Computing. Oh, thank you. This is kind of the bummer about LM. Like now it's forgot. I guess I could have told, I guess if it was a bigger project, I would have like a Claude MD or some sort of file that was like, here's where the Rails project is. Okay, it's looking for it. I don't know what's gonna. I don't know how the. Sure. Perfect. All right. I think it has to add it to. Oh, that would add it to like the. To the config file or something. All right, let's see. Oh, did I forget to stop this and just left it running? Oh, I did too. Cool. Well, let's see if we have a fave icon now. Here. Boom. Oh yeah, there we go. Cool. SaturdayMP, SMP. Fave icon is there. All right. It's not the best icon, but not the best graphic artist. So good enough. Publish the branch. Yes. Ooh, and for improved branding and user experience. Oh man, it makes me sound like so professional. Okay, let's just get rid of you for now. Sign myself. It's definitely an enhancement. Okay, and we'll just do the usual over here. Sure, let's request this bad boy. Okay, so while that's thinking, let's What was the last thing we need to do? High level. Oh, right. We need to update the document, like README and stuff like that, especially for this. I need to make a note about these deprecation warnings, because right now we just ignore them because there's no Bootstrap doesn't support the new Sass at use and at forward, but yeah, and just documentation about how to run this locally and stuff. So I mostly for me, or if someone else ever helps me with this. So okay, yeah, I didn't think it would have any pull requests. Okay. Okay, so it's deployed, or it's deploying. We can check out in a minute. I'm not too worried about it. Give me the latest from main, so I don't do a branch off an old thing of main, which I've done before, and that's a real pain. Update documentation. Documentation. I think I spelled that right. Okay, so done. No. How do I turn that off? That one's super annoying. I can't remember how that word is. This little icon. No. God, could go away. I can't remember how to. Well, whatever. So again, creating documentation is still like LLMs are pretty good at that. Rather than me spending like half an hour writing all this out, I just create a nice README, and then, or I could create a template README, and then I can update it. So, what do I want in the README? I want. Okay, let's see. Please. Actually, let's get it to update. Sorry, let's please update the README file with the following instructions on how to run the application locally. It should use Docker compose up app. Description of the GitHub action publishes the site when a PR is merged to main. What else do I want in there? A section about Saturday morning productions. And how awesome I am. SaturdayMP does, and how to contact us. Link to the we can. Okay, so what's going to share? Add a link to the SaturdayMP. What the heck is that called? Where people give me money, which nobody gives me money, but yeah, if you want to give me money, like you find these videos useful and you want to do more than just liking or subscribing, you can go to here. We have this sponsors link. Okay. SaturdayMP GitHub sponsors. See the other Saturday MP repos. Add a badge. Isn't that what that's called? Badge. Or an example. What else do we want? Well, let's just see what it does with that. And then I think I'll end the video here. That's pretty. What time? Yeah, that's probably a good time to end it. It's been over an hour. That is not. What's a bones on reporter.net? That's not a thing. That's really funny. Yeah, like. Okay, I'm just gonna type it in just to see. BOSUNREPORTER.net. Nope, not a thing. Okay. Sure. You're gonna get a 404. What is a boson? Okay, now I'm super curious. Bosonreporter.net. Oh, there's a thread safe. Oh. Huh. Like it is a thing. Oh, I guess I can make this a little bigger. Sorry about that. Huh. Cool. Let's. I guess I needed to tell you the actual URL there, Claude. Okay. Envisioning. Oh, honking. Well, most of the geese are gone, but let's see. Okay. Sponsors. It looks kind of legit. So where does this cover? Functional. Oh, that's good. Turning dreams is. I don't know about that. We have to change that. What do we do? Yeah, I'll have to change that once I update the DNS. I don't know if we need to say the exact Ruby version or anything, but we don't need this license section, but again, it's good enough, I think. All right, so let's go look at the README here. Yes, okay. Go away, go away, go away. Can I split you? No, it's not the split I want. This one. There we go. Oh yeah, cool. It looks like that works. Mm-hmm. Uh, okay, I gotta turn that off. How do I? Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay, because that is super annoying. Okay. Um. hmm I don't know how we. I mean, what we do. Do I want my email? Like you go to the website, I guess. I don't know if I guess the phone number's on there. I already get enough spam. I think this part was all fine. I don't need the license. I don't know. Do people want to watch me slowly figure out what the heck to type here? Let me see if I can steal some stuff from my profile. Let's just use our tagline. High quality software faster. Oh wait. Uh, sure. Maybe I'll regret this, but yeah, it's already out there. Let's put a little thing. You can watch this site get created in real time on YouTube at um, I love how I wonder if that's an actual playlist. I'm super curious. Let's see. Playlist did it pick? Okay. It is YouTube. Okay. Okay. It didn't pick a real one. Hooray. That's super funny. I do need okay, how do I guess I will create a playlist for all these videos, but right now it's just let's just put my site, I guess. Oh no, let's just link to the first video. Yeah, I'll have to create a playlist for all these. Now it's live. Maybe I'll just do this. Build. And then I know this is probably the most boringest thing ever, but let's put links to do we just have 5 of them? Okay, now can I just copy these? Do I have to go to each one? How do I? Ugh. Okay, I guess I do. Third one is this. And then, yeah, I'll just come and update this later, but it should be good enough for now. Okay. Cool. That works for me. So let's do this. Excuse me. Sure. So the other thing let's do, let's also you can go away. Where is, how do I get the Claude thingy to do its thing again? Disappeared on me. A little thingy up here. Oops. There we go. Please update Claude.md. Or please carefully inspect this project and update the Claude.md file as needed. And I think, what's the best way to link? We could create a soft link. Like I'll create a link between this and I should have an agents MD, and then because I don't think the agents MD, let's see, GitHub agents.md. I don't think it's used. Is it agents? Yeah, with an S. Oh, I should do this. GitHub Copilot. Oh, okay. So maybe it does now. This is August. Oh, this is pretty new. Go away. But I thought it would only work with. Let's make it bigger. All right. Copilot coding agents. So because I thought like if you did a pull request via the like a PR on the web browser, right? Like on the web browser. See, I think I'm not sure when custom, because there was a chart I think I saw. Doing one more name. Creating path specific instructions. That's fine. Yeah, so I think I need all three. I think I need, well, does Claude use agents.md? Yeah, I don't think they've done anything. This is the official recommendation. If you have an agentsmd, you can source it in your Claude MD using @agentsmd. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, I guess I could just tell you to make all the updates. Yes, that's good. Just go ahead. You can YOLO these file changes. Oh, it's really going nuts with the. Okay, and then we'll tell it to. Okay, cool. So. Pages. Okay, cool. Let's do that. Okay. Please create an agents.md file. Move the content of the existing Claude.md file to the agents. and then then use what is it? Agents.md in the Claude MD file, so the instructions aren't duplicated. All right, let's see if we can handle this. Okay. Oh man, that's taking. I had a nice hour video. I guess it's gonna be an hour and a half. So, I don't know. You can watch it or just me put you to sleep. I guess. Oh, did it create anything? I don't. Write failed. Hmm. Okay. Cat. So you're gonna dump it into temp. Right. Okay. Cool. Perfect. No. Moved. Migrated Claude to agents.md. Done. Okay, cool. Let's update documentation. Let's publish this branch. All right, we'll do this real quick, and then I guess everyone can see the happy ending of the README and everything, and take it from there. And then, yeah, again, if you really want to see me do the DNS entries and stuff, let me know, because I think I might have to edit that video a bunch. Yeah, documentation. So I'm not super excited to record that because I usually don't like to edit these too much because I'm kind of lazy. All right, we should. Oh, did we just leave this running? Oh, maybe that's why I couldn't write to. I left it running. All right, where's my localhost one? Okay, well, everything should work. Oh, I do have to ignore the I'll be able to see this. Yeah. Okay. So let's go here. Please add agents.md to be ignored when building the. Please also update the agents.md with a note to add and ignore the config.yaml to ignore new files that are not supposed to be shown, such as config files. Yes. Okay, so I think this should now. Oh, it's got to be. I think it's got to rebuild everything. Right. So this should. I need to. I probably need to stop this and then run it again. I think. Okay. Cool. That's better. And then. Oh, yeah. Please also update the README with a note to exclude. Might as well do that too. Mosey. Oh yeah. Okay, I gotta wrap this up soon. Ah, this is a fun day though. Okay, what did it do the README? Yeah, okay, cool. Let's do that, do that. All right, and then let's sync that. Go right, go SaturdayMP. Yeah, there we go. This one. Oh, I gotta protect my branch eventually, but okay. Because I will commit to it because I'm a dum-dum. So let's do a request there. Well, yeah, again, that was a fun day. This was good. Just a lot of little things off my plate now. Well, it's almost this one. I get this website moved off. I'm paying for hosting the Rails site where this one's free. So that'll save me a couple bucks, but it's mostly just because I didn't need all those Rails functionalities. Like, I just wasn't using it. So why even pay anything? Upgrading the Rails site was kind of a pain. Like, I have to upgrade. I guess I recorded some videos doing that, which people seem to somewhat like, but yeah, I think overall, okay, yeah, nice suggestion. Ignoring is recommended by Claude to do it this way. Uh-oh, did I lose that link? What was that again? Claude code agents.md. Yeah, support agents. This is the one, I think. Where was that? Oh, okay. Comment. Solve conversation. All right. All right. We're all done. Cool. Well, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your most valuable resource, your time. If you found this useful, feel free to share this video with others. Like, subscribe, all the things. They make me feel better when you like and subscribe. But again, it also just, if you found this useful, maybe other people found it useful. So just doing that, just in the algorithms. You can send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, or just leave comments below. And especially if you really want me to see update the DNS entries. I'll see if anyone's interested in that, because I don't think I'll get to it. Well, next week's a busy week too. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'll just record the video, but if you really want it, let me know. I usually try to publish these videos once a week on Wednesday. So maybe I'll record it this week, because my amazing daughter will be in town next week. So it's going to be a busy week. So yeah, maybe I'll have to record the video this week. Anyway, let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate constructive criticism. And I hope you all are having a great day. And I'll talk to you next time. Take care. Bye.